Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. The TAI T625 Gökbey is a twin-engine light transport utility helicopter developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries. Turkey's Undersecretariat for Defense Industries plans to offer the new platform to Turkish armed forces and cooperating nations. Turkish Aerospace Industries launched preliminary design studies in 2010. The project commenced in 2013 when Undersecretariat for Defense Industries signed a contract with the Turkish Aerospace Industries to develop a 6-ton class multi-role helicopter for land operations. Alba Aviation is responsible for production and assembly of landing gear, gearbox and dynamic components, while Spanish CASA was selected to supply hydraulic systems. Thank you very much all audiences watching my videos. Goodbye.